So Canva is a editable. I believe the word Canva is from the word canvas. Canvas is like a plain sheet of paper where you can draw, or a plain board where someone can draw or where you can do painting. I believe that's where they brought the name Canva from. So Canva is like a kind of a
Okay.
house where you have thousands of templates.
Okay.
Template that are editable, to your
Okay.
own taste, depending on whatever you want to use it for. So whether you want to design brochure, you want to design flyers, you want to
Okay.
design even videos, reels, presentation slides like PowerPoint, and so on. Is also, even like YouTube headers, banners, blog banners, so many things. You know. It's a platform where you can resize your designs. You can a lot of functions. You can just like cut. You can use Canva to design videos. And the beautiful thing about Canva is the integration of AI. So you can put
Okay.
the concept of your flyer inside. You can write it out. I want a flyer that has this, that has this. This is the date of my program. This is the venue. This, and once you just punch it, also put the preferred colors and so on and so forth. So once you just punch it, it creates the kind of flyer that you want for you. If you have an image or like an image and you want to turn it into a video, Canva can do it for you. Can turn it into a speaking video. Be a picture that is even static. So you can turn it into a video for you and add a voice under it. You can use Canva like a quote. You can use it to edit videos. You know? So there are a lot of functions. You can use Canva to design your ebook, templates, all these new content products, guides, templates, planners, checklists, and so on and so forth. Now on Pinterest, you can use many, you can see a lot of templates that you can easily just hit and put on your Pinterest. So today I'm going to just briefly share so when you look at this topic, you see some types of uh, Canva designs you can make. Presentation, social media, video, documents, and so on and so forth. In this place, you see projects. These are your works. Yes. When you see a project, these are the
Okay.
designs that you are currently working on.
Okay. I can see
These
it.
are these are your own designs. If you click
Okay.
on templates, that means
Okay.
that means you are referring to a wide range of new type of templates select from. And uh, one of the cons of Canva is that it can take some time before it loads. So you need a very swift data
Okay.
to use and a good system if you are going to enjoy it. So this is your Canva AI here. You see the online. Okay, so let's just dive in. So let me start with this particular design. This design was made with AI. I just edited something very small, very, very little. So if you look at the left hand side, or let me start from this place, from the first button. If you click on templates, it's going to show you more templates. Can you see the template now? So these are more and more templates. You can decide to choose from. Then you come to the elements. You see this
I have to
box, describe
generate.
your
Yes. Yes.
so if you describe your ID element, you can generate it depending on
Okay.
what type of whether it's image, graphic, video. So we have some kind of elements that are known as shapes. You want to put circle, you want to put square and all of that. Then we have graphics. Graphics are different from pictures. We have
Okay.
animations, we have photos. If you want to import video, we have videos. If you want to import audio, there's charts, forms, sheets, tables, we have frames so you can insert pictures, we have grids and so much. Once you put your element, so the thing now is that let's say I put something like question. Let me say I put a question there. So it will bring the graphics that have to do with question. Like
Okay.
graphic is something that you can just if you click on it, it will not have a background. It
Okay.
just speaks itself on your design. Or image,
Okay.
if you also give images that have something like question, maybe somebody behaving as if he's asking question or things like that.
Okay.
Now begin to check under graphic, for instance. So
Yes.
if I just click on, let me click on one of them. Once I click on it, jump on my design. You can see the design now. You see that, yeah, it has jumped on it now.
Okay. Okay.
So I can move to photos. When I move to photos, I'm going to see pictures that have to do with question. Can you see them?
Yes. Yes.
So this one's are images. As you can see,
Okay.
both things like this and then you have this lady that is like she's thinking about something or asking a question.
That's
So they are
photos.
not yes. Even if I click this one, this is also a photo. It's not going to act like a graphic that doesn't have a background. Then even beyond that, you have videos too. You have videos that can
Okay.
affect question. Yes. Let me if I can play. Yes. The video is moving right there. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah. So you have frames that can fit in. You see these frames, you can fit in. So
Yes.
so that is how that works. You can let me leave that. That's under the elements. Let me come to text. Under text, you can input different type of texts, heading text, subheading, little text. You can include captions if you are dealing with video, just like auto captions or the one that is not auto for CapCut. You can put page numbers, you can different stuff that you can put. You can even look at all these type of font combinations. Anyone that so you can just you can edit it because on
Okay.
this Canva you can edit almost anything. So let me come to uploads. You want to upload pictures, maybe like your headshots or anything. You can upload as well. You can upload from your file, from your system. So this is just like a basic training. When you have the basic knowledge, you can always explore
Yes, I know. Yeah.
the deeper stuff. Yes. So all you need to do, you can upload images, you can upload videos, you can upload
Okay.
audio. Yes, it's that audio that helps you to be able to like put the music on the background, just like you do on CapCut. You can like this video now. It was created with ChatGPT. This moving vehicle.
Okay.
Yes, yes. This was a picture that was
Okay.
turned into a video. Took using Canva AI. So a lot of things are possible.
Okay.
You can import
Okay.
designs, you can import folders, so many things that you can upload, right? So without making much
Okay.
ado,
All right.
let's come to this panel because this is another important aspect of the design. So we have different meaning. This is BG remover, background remover. So if I upload, let's say I upload this guy's a picture, I want to remove the background of this picture. All I need to do is just click the picture and okay, so the picture is appearing now. So if I want to remove the
Okay.
background, yeah, if I want to remove the background, all I need to do is come up here. You can see the mouse. BG remover. Once I click on BG remover, to
Background
remove,
remover.
yes, yes, it will clear out the background. So once I need to look at the original flyer, look at the lady that is the original flyer. So it could have been a full picture, but because we want to show stuff, and see the background has been removed. So in fact, I can choose to like remove the lady because lady's background has been removed. I can just choose to bring I can choose to bring this guy here
Okay.
in place of the pair of lady. So one other
Okay. Okay.
so
Okay.
one other thing that I will need to teach is you can see that his picture now is shooting above this
It's interesting.